It's believed at least 10 people have been killed and more than 100 injured in train crash in Spain. Now this happened on this high-speed line between Madrid and Malaga at Adamus in Cordoba, the province of Cordoba. Let's go straight to our correspondent Guy Hedgecoe, who is in Madrid this evening. What more can you tell us, Guy?
Well, we know that a train was heading up from Malaga earlier on this evening to Madrid, where I am, and about an hour into its journey, that train, or part of that train, was derailed. We don't know why, but during that derailment, the train crashed into another oncoming train, which was heading down to the south of the country. As you mentioned there, the crash took place in the town of Adamuz in Andalusia, in the south of the country. We understand that there were at least some victims on both trains. You mentioned there the death toll, which has been rising steadily. It's at 10 at the moment. The fear is it could rise further, but the rescue workers at the scene are still working to try and find survivors and haul them out of the wreckage.
Okay, thank you, Hetzko, reporting from Madrid.